Next, discussion on few book back questions. First one, why do prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles? This is a rear view mirror. Convex mirror can cover a wider range so that you can see the more object in a small screen and give erect. That means these vehicles you can see laterally displacement. That means left to right and then right to left. That kind of images we can see in the rear view mirror. And diminished images. That means the image size is smaller than the original size of the object. Hence, convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror to get wider field of view, so that we can use rear view mirror in vehicles. Next one half of convex lens is covered with black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of the objects? Verify your answer experimentally. Explain your observations. It has two cases, because we can cover top or bottom of the convex lens. We can discuss two cases in the sessions. First case, when the upper half of the lens is covered. In this case, the rays of light coming from object will be refracted by the lower half of the lens. So this is a object. The light comes from focal length, so that it refracted. After refractions, it goes parallel to the principal axis, and the another ray after refractor it reaches the positions. We can get the images. So this is the object, this is the image. We can get the image on the screen. These rays meet at the other side of the lens to form an image of the given object. And the next case, when the lower half of the lens is covered. So in this case, a ray of light coming from the object is refracted by upper half of the lens. So this we can take two rays. So first ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refractions, it passed through the focus, and another ray it refracted and reached the positions. So we can get the image. In both cases, we can obtain the image on the screen. Next questions, we wish to obtain an erect image of an object. So using concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. What should be the range of distance of the object from the mirror? What is the nature of the image? Is the image larger or smaller than the object? Draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. You can see these questions on the page 185. Here we can use a concave mirror. It has a focal length 15 cm. But we need to get the image as a erect image. And we can find the nature of the image, and the image size also we need to obtain. So we can discuss this concept using ray diagram. In concave mirror, it has 6 cases. From the first 5 cases, we can get a real and inverted images. In the last case, we can get a virtual and erect image. We can omit the first 5 cases because these problems need to get a erect image. We choose the last is the object is placed between focus and pole. So it is a focus, this is a pole. So we can place the object between these positions. This is the object. We take a 2 rays. We consider it rays comes from center of the curvatures. It return back to the same path. Another ray it fall down in the pole and reflected. This is the angle of incidence. This is the angle of refractions. These lines we can retrace back, and we can get the virtual image. This image is obtained right side of the mirror. and above the principal axis, so that the nature of the image is virtual and erect. And the size of the image, this is the object size, this is the image size. So we can compare the size. The image size is larger than the object size.